Welcome to our CRM Recruit Applicant Guide. When creating an account, please go to the CRM Recruit portal. Our URL is now on screen. From here, select the Create Account tile underneath the address bar. Fill out the required fields like your first and last name, your email address and mobile number. Select your permanent address prior to study. You can also tick to allow TU Dublin to contact you about courses, events, etc. Select your proposed start date. Lastly, on this screen, create a password for your account and select the Create Account button. Note, your password must be a minimum of 14 characters in length, contain at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number and one special character. You also can't use repeat or common phrases. Your account is now pending. You should receive an activation email directly from TU Dublin to the email you nominated for your account. If it hasn't been sent, please wait 5 minutes and then try the resend activation button. Your activation email will have a link to activate your account. Please press the link. You'll be redirected to our CRM Recruit portal and a successful activation message will be displayed in green. From the CRM Recruit login page, you can now log in with your email and password you selected for your account. Once logged in, you'll be asked to verify your account. Head back to your email inbox and use the access code emailed by TU Dublin. If it hasn't been sent, please wait 5 minutes and then try the resend access code button. Once you've typed the code or pasted it, press submit. You have now successfully created and logged into your account. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it from the main CRM Recruit portal login page. Select the Forgot Your Password link under the password field. You'll be redirected to our Forgot Password screen. Type in the email address you used to register your account. An email with a link to reset your password will be sent to that address. Click on the Reset Password link in your email. From here you can reset your password. Again, remember your password must be a minimum of 14 characters in length, contain at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number and one special character. You also can't use repeat or common phrases. If you're having issues making a payment, please follow the troubleshooting steps on screen. Please also be aware that your bank might have limits and card restrictions in place. You can also make payments using TransferMate by visiting the link on screen. If you have any issues, please contact the admissions team. Thank you from Technology Services.